Dubai registered agent actually uses a Wyoming LLC to receive payment from their own clients. Do you still think registering a Dubai company is good for your business? Hi, my name is Bobby Casey. I am the founder of Business Anywhere. I have been doing tax, company structure, and residency consulting for more than 20 years for location independent entrepreneurs from all over the world. Today, I want to tell you about a really interesting conversation I had just yesterday with one of my private consulting clients. So I'm going to call this guy Joe for purposes of this video. So I had a consultation call with a client yesterday, Joe, and he was asking me about the possibility of registering a Dubai company for his online business. And so my opinion on Dubai is basically it works in a very narrow range of situations. For example, if you want to live in Dubai and you're going to be doing business in the Middle East, getting a Dubai company makes sense because you can register the company and it becomes the reason for your residence permit. And if you're doing business in the Middle East, it makes a lot of sense because you are local in that marketplace and you're not going to have any issues. However, the moment you start trying to do business in North America or in Europe or in parts of Southeast Asia, you are going to start having payment issues with a Dubai company. So I've looked back over the past several years, and as far as I can tell, every one of my clients that did register a company in Dubai have since closed it because they've had issues getting paid. What I mean by that is when you ask a client to pay you into your bank account, very often on their end, they would very often need to provide proof of things like their invoice and additional KYC, information about you as the service provider, contracts, all these things. And that additional friction creates problems. And sometimes you've got some banks in some jurisdictions, they don't want to pay to a Dubai company at all, meaning their bank doesn't want to actually send money out to a Dubai company. So during my consultation with this client yesterday, Joe told me that when he got the contract from the registered agent in Dubai, where he needed to pay them for the company registration, they sent him an invoice from a Wyoming LLC to pay a bank account in the US for the purpose of registering a Dubai company. Now, if you think about that, ultimately, that's really kind of funny to think that you're paying this registered agent to register a company for you in Dubai, and they're not even getting paid into their own Dubai company. Even the registered agent in Dubai has figured out that a Wyoming LLC is a much better solution for running their global business than their own jurisdiction. So I find that hugely entertaining, number one, but also it's a poignant note to talk about that in reality, Dubai is not a good solution for the vast majority of you out there. So again, I'll reiterate, if you're gonna live in Dubai and do business in the Middle East, sure, go for it. It's a decent solution and it works in the situation where you're doing business in the Middle East. But if you're gonna be doing business globally, you're working with clients from North America, US, Canada, South America, Europe, that kind of situation. If you're taking clients from these situations or these countries, it's gonna be much better for you to operate through a US entity, and Wyoming is the number one choice. So I hope this information helps you in your decision to registering your company and getting your business properly structured for your global operation. If you need help with this, we do have our own product called the Digital Nomad Kit. You can find it on our website at businessanywhere.io. Our Digital Nomad Kit helps you with company formation, your registered agent service, your virtual mailbox, so your mailing address in the US. We hope getting your tax ID number, opening bank accounts, tax filings, private consultations, everything you need to get your business started. So I hope you have a great day, and you can find us again at businessanywhere.io.